Hi everyone. Today I'm sharing with you my latest IKEA haul. I always wanted to shop from IKEA, and since I'm in Mumbai, it gave me an option to shop my heart out from IKEA. So you will be seeing all those things that I wanted to purchase from IKEA, and the list is still not completed yet. But I'm waiting for the next haul. So let me take you through. The first item is these clips. Now, I am not going to pronounce any of these names. I am 100% sure I will not be able to pronounce them correctly. So, I'm excusing myself from that, but I'll flash all the names on the screen somewhere for you to check out the IKEA site. Clips that are used to clip open packets, and I'll just show you. They come in 3 different sizes. I already got one from Amazon. I still have them, but I just felt that I need it in every, not just in kitchen, but when I'm traveling, to clip some things like Ziploc, even Ziploc bags. At times the zips don't work, so I can still use them instead of just trashing them out, and these clips come really handy. Got these were shelf stands. Now these are wall mounted stands and requires some drilling, and I'm hoping to get these attached to the wall when I'm kind of organizing my studio and couple of other places. It requires 4 screws to be drilled in the wall, and though it is made up of plastic, it looks really sturdy. Next are these, the cotton, I think linen or cotton blend cushion covers, and it is so affordable and so well made. I'm so amazed. They come in so many different colors. Look at the quality of the fabric. It is so good. So IKEA is known for bringing affordable home decor at a very reasonable price, and you can always use this to embroider or do some kind of a DIY on these cushions, but I for now want to use them as it is. The next item was again a cushion cover. These were little on a pricier side, but oh my god, these cushion covers look so beautiful. I'll just show you the texture of it. It is soft, like I think it is kind of a velvet kind of a fabric, but it feels really soft on the skin. So my idea to redo my living room is not to add too many colors, but sticking to a very plain simple color palette for the season, but add a lot of texture. Can you see? This is super soft. It feels really amazing on the skin. The next item is this table runner. It has a very beautiful woven texture and has multiple number of neutral colors. I'm not a big fan of the blue, to be honest, but since it's on a very dark side, I don't know, I so liked it. I got 2 of them, and I'm planning to use them as my table mat come table runner, and I'll show you my tablescape real soon. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and stay tuned for more home decor video that is going to come in upcoming weeks. The next is this beautiful throw blankets. The throw blankets that I have been using are more than 1.5-2 years old, and I really like having throw blanket on my sofas, This is pretty thin. This is not very thick because since it is Mumbai, we do not have extreme winter or winter season per se, but our ACs are all the time working and you need something to cozy up. I really like the fringe detail at the bottom. Plus, this entire throw blanket gives a very cozy kind of look to your sofa or a reading nook if you have it in your home. You can always place this on the foot of your bed. These are the set of 3 universal lids. Now, I have seen these universal lids everywhere on YouTube, on Instagram. Everybody talks about it. I'm still to use it, but they look like a very, very good quality silicone, and the suction is amazing. I'll just show you. My table glass top is glass. If you peel it from the side, it comes out easily, but if you leave it on the glass top, it just becomes airtight. So I use a lot of glass bowls, mixing bowls in my kitchen on day-to-day basis, and I need some of these lids. Most of the mixing bowls I use did not come with the lid, so I am hoping this lid will come really handy. The best part about this was that it all gets nested and it does not take a lot of space in your cupboard. So this, unlike other lids that you have, so they usually take a lot of space. This doesn't. Another was this IKEA find, which is a cutlery organizer. I'm not planning to use them for cutlery per se, but my thought right now is to use some elsewhere in the home, and you will see this in my upcoming videos. You can organize your tools, your stationery, and these are really affordable. If I remember correct, then this was only 49 rupees per piece. So super affordable and very easy to use in different spaces. This was again plain white shower curtains, again super cheap. Now this will save me so much time. I'm always a big fan of shower curtains. I have got this shoe tray with the hope that Anshuman and Ishi will use this tray to keep their everyday shoes, if not in the closet, then in this shoe mat. This will keep all the dust inside and also will come very handy during the rainy days. This is again one of my most favorite purchases, the frames from IKEA. They are all different designs and sizes. I have plans to put them all around my house and I'll show you how I decorate them. But if you happen to get a chance to shop from IKEA, do one thing, buy yourself some good frames. They are super affordable and real good quality. Hey, Christmas is in the air and I have started collecting few of Christmas ornaments, starting with this super cute Christmas tree. Don't you think this is super adorable? Look at it. They were just 99 rupees, and I found they are very well made and they look super adorable. I have seen a lot of Christmas tree on Amazon, but their leaf quality is not that great, and I will share my Amazon haul in upcoming video also. And there were so many things that I returned as well because I didn't like the quality, but here, oh my god, the quality is so nice. And I just bought 2 of them. Ishi already wants her one of them on the table. And similarly, I got these very adorable bottle brush trees. They were super affordable. I really didn't want to pass this on. it was always getting out of stock on IKEA site. So I just made sure that it was there in my cart, and I just clicked the purchase button because I so wanted them. They're super lightweight. As you can see, they're like skidding away from my table. They are super lightweight and you can style it anywhere. Now look at this beautiful minimalist wreath. I mean, it looks so good and real. Look at the leaves. I have not seen anything like this on Amazon and anywhere in India per se. So I have lots of plans to style these wreaths and all these beautiful items that I bought from IKEA. So do stay tuned, subscribe to the channel.